Now that you have an HPE OpsRamp service deployed in the desired region, a license key, also known as a subscription key, is needed to launch and access your OpsRamp service. This subscription key was provided by email as part of the HPE GreenLake Flex Solutions contract. As the workspace administrator, let's activate the OpsRamp subscription key on the workspace. In your HPE GreenLake workspace, click Services and then Service Subscriptions. Click Add Service Subscription and enter the subscription key you received by email. Click Add and click Next. In the next step, you can assign tags to the subscription key, or you can decide to manage tags later. Tags allow you to categorize resources based on purpose, owner, location, or other criteria. Here we assign an owner to the subscription key by clicking Assign and then clicking Next. The next step, you can manage showback rates. This is optional and you can set it up later. You can use this to view cost reports in consumption analytics for your service. Here we are skipping the step. We can now review the Add Service Subscription and click Finish. We can see our subscription key was automatically applied to the workspace and to our OpsRamp service. In the next video, we will assign OpsRamp access role to the desired HPE GreenLake users.